Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the friendship star. I will put that right up here, a picture of a quilt that uses this. I use that in my union pattern, but it's also just fun to add in different quilts and things. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. First off, we're going to need 4 half square triangles. You can use my method that uses a flying geese ruler. It's the half square triangles from strips, and I will put a card up above and a link in the description below on how to do that. Or you can use this method that doesn't require a ruler. I like the other method, and using the go cutter are my two favorite methods just because they don't have waste. So with the go cutter, this kind of gets up there. You're going to need the 3 die and the 4 die in your cube set, whatever size cube set you have. That's what dies you'll need to make your half square triangle, and the corresponding squares that will go with it in this block. Otherwise, you're going to want to cut squares, and I do them a whole inch. You can get away with 7/8 inch, but I'd like to be able to trim and make it be accurate. So 1 inch larger than whatever your finished square size is, and we're going to draw a diagonal line through that. On the wrong side of the fabric, we're going to put that with our other fabric. That will be the other half of our half square triangle, and then you're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side and cut on this line. In addition to your 4 half square triangles, you're going to want 4 background squares and 1 of the matching for your star. Unless you're doing it scrappy, go ahead and do what you want. Okay, and then we're just going to arrange our half square triangles so that they pinwheel and spin around our square. And then we're going to take our background squares and put those in the corners. Okay, and then we're going to sew our rows together. Once our rows are together, we're going to press toward the solid, away from the half square triangle. So we're pressing toward the background here, and we're pressing toward the center here, so that our seams will butt. And then we're just going to sew our rows together, butting our seams up so that the points will come together nicely. And then you just get this cute little friendship star. Have fun making them. Make sure you share them with me. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.